and News Rundown today's top stories. The tragedy unfolding in Brazil, where floods and landslides devastated entire towns and communities, leaving people homeless in a matter of minutes. The death toll continues to rise, as does the number of missing people. This is yet another in a series of disasters to hit Brazil, and the government is currently examining ways in which they can mitigate future severe weather events. Another natural disaster, the situation in Turkey and Syria is getting grimmer, with the death toll continuing to rise. In addition to the death toll, there are around 80,000 people injured. Overall, the earthquakes has affected more than 23 million people. People around the world are encouraged to donate money and research to the emergency service, helping in both countries. Speaking of current politics, there is political turmoil in the West Bank. Israeli settlers have been carrying out aggressive attacks on Palestinian villages in the northern occupied West Bank. The Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu called for calm and said that the focus was on the Israeli military and security forces to find the gunmen who had killed two Israeli settlers. In the world of sports, the biggest news was Manchester United's shock defeat to Derby County. Sport pundits felt that Derby didn't deserve to play against Manchester United, but Derby proved those pundits wrong in spectacular fashion. 12 scoreless goals in the first half was enough to make goalkeeper Tom Heaton cry and hold his head. For additional goals in the second half, commented Derby County's position as the number one team for the foreseeable future. A young sailor completed an 8,000-mile journey to meet the woman who rescued her from the jaws of an orca more than a year ago. Sonia Twines saw the seal pup dangling from the jaws of a giant orca as it surfaced, and it just blew her mind. Without thinking about her own safety, she divinely punched a 20-meter-long killer WL in the nose and caught the seal. The seal named Brit never forgot her heroism, and every year he travels a long way to see her and say thank you. Well, that is our news summary. Stay tuned for more news. I'm Suci Rahmawati, and see you next time.